Hey everyone, in today's video I wanted to take some time to give my thoughts on the FujiFilm X-T5 as a casual, just traveling shooting camera. Let's get started. So originally I bought the Canon R5 because I wanted to take landscapes and I wanted to just invest in a better camera. Pretty soon I realized with a battery grip and a larger lens that it was pretty tough to carry the R5 around, especially for casual outings. So I started looking for what would be some sort of like lightweight or casual camera. So I entered the market for a new camera because the R5 was a little bit too bulky for me, especially for casual outings with friends where I'm mistaken for a photographer for the event. So I wanted something more lightweight, essentially just more discreet. I came across the Fujifilm camera, decided to give it a go, and have had zero regrets, honestly. This camera has a ton of pros. It's lightweight, it has dual SD cards. The film simulations are amazing. I did start off with a 35mm lens, but ended up changing to a 23mm lens. I think that it gives me more of like a documentary style to my photographs rather than the 35, especially with the high megapixel count for this crop sensor lens. One of the first things that I noticed though whenever I got this camera was just how good it feels, how lightweight it is. People, if I go to an event or a party or something and I pull this out, they're not mistaking me for a photographer. One, because it looks like a film camera. A lot of people see the dials and knobs on top and they don't really understand that it could possibly be digital. It also has an articulating screen, which is really helpful whenever I want to go and do some more street photography types of things. And it's great for travel. I took this camera to Costa Rica and was able to get some great shots, some of my favorite shots, using nostalgic negative, film simulation, and sometimes I don't stick with the film simulation in terms of what I like my final edit. Normally I'll look at it and try to reproduce it in Lightroom and then modify it just for my own tastes, but the film simulations are really something neat. So now the purposes that I use this camera for, it's traveling. I live in Colorado, so hiking. I love taking this out camping, and I've taken this camera on a 14er and had some great shots in my opinion. And it being so lightweight, I was not about to take my Canon R5 with battery grip and zoom lens. It just wasn't going to happen. So if you're in the market for something that is for a hobbyist or even a professional photographer that you don't want to use professionally, but you want just to take to gatherings with friends, if you want to take it hiking, traveling, etc., something lightweight but very high quality and just great resolution, then I can't recommend the Fujifilm X-T5 enough. Check out some other reviews. That's how I stumbled across it and just wanted to add to the hype about this camera. So I think that's going to be it for now. Until next time, I'm still figuring out this whole YouTube thing, what I want to make videos on, whether it be camera gear or backpacks, snowboarding stuff, or my profession, which is software. And until next time, thanks.